Morning, I am Joy. We are TPS Innovators. Our project is called DIY Vacuum Cleaner. Our team members are Gurpreet, Alicia, Ashmeet Kaur and Harsh Verma. Together, we have designed this project as a contribution towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India.
A DIY vacuum cleaner is a small portable device that made using easily available materials like a plastic bottle, a motor and a fan. The motor rotates the fan at high speed, creating suction that draws dust, dirt and small debris into the bottle, which acts as a dust container. Once the container is full, it can be emptied and used.
The key idea behind this project is to demonstrate innovation using simple local materials. By building a functional vacuum cleaner, we show that Indian students and innovators can develop affordable, homegrown solutions without relying on expensive imported machines, which reflects the true spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
In addition, this DIY vacuum cleaner promotes cleanliness and hygiene at home, school or workplace and encourages hands-on learning, creativity and problem-solving skills.
In conclusion, a DIY vacuum cleaner is not just a cleaning device. It is a symbol of resourcefulness, innovation and self-reliance. Through projects like this, we contribute to technologically capable and self-sufficient India. Thank you.
Now, I will show how this project works. In short, our DIY vacuum cleaner works well and makes cleaning easy. Thank you. Have a nice day.